History class 11th. Name Jagdish Kumar. Qualification MA B.Ed. Designation lecturer in history. स्कूल HSS नक्सिनी डिस्ट्रिक्ट किश्तवाड़। और आज का हमारा यूनिट है 7वां 11th क्लास का, और यूनिट का नाम है चेंजिंग कल्चरल ट्रेडिशंस। पहला क्वेश्चन है डेवलपमेंट इन द फील्ड ऑफ literature. Give a brief account of the progress made in the field of literature during Renaissance. Literature made a remarkable progress during Renaissance. A galaxy of writers during this period raised literature to a great height. तो galaxy of बहुत से पोइट थे, राइटर थे जिन्होंने इसको हाइट पर पहुंचाया। दे प्रोड्यूस देयर वर्क नॉट ओनली इन ग्रीक एंड लातिन बट इन आल्सो इन इटालियन, फ्रांस, इंग्लिश एंड स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज। द वर्क रिटन ड्यूरिंग दिस पीरियड लेड एम्फेसिस ऑन सेकुलरिज्म एंड ह्यूमनिज्म। तो का मेन मकसद था सेकुलरिज्म एंड ह्यूमनिज्म पर। फ्रांसिस्को पेट्रच 1302 to 1374 CE. Francisco Petrarch is called as the father of Renaissance. He was born in Florence in Italy in 1304 CE. He received his education at Bologna University. For some time he practiced law, but he had deeper inclination towards literature. He gave up his legal service and developed most of his time in studying the ancient Latin classes. He was deeply influenced by such Roman writers as Cicero and Virgil. He stimulated humanism all across Europe. तो दूसरा पॉइंट है इसमें दंते एलिजीरी 1265 to 1321 CE. Dante Alighieri is considered as one of the greatest poets of Italy. तो ये इटली का पोइट था। He was born in a rich family in Florence in 1265 CE. He mastered many intellectual disciplines. तो उसने बहुत बड़ा काम किया डिसिप्लिन में। He was deeply impressed by Roman poet. तो रोमन पोइट वर्जिल। He was religious man of pious thoughts. He did not have full faith in church. तो चर्च पर वो फुल फेथ नहीं करते थे, but he strongly criticized the corrupt life of the clergy. He celebrated in this imaginary work Dante described journey through hell and paradise. For his great contribution to literature, he is called a bridge between the Middle Age and the modern age. Giovanni Boccaccio 1313 to 1375 CE. Giovanni Boccaccio was a great writer and a humanist of the 14th century. ये 14th century का writer था। He was born in Paris in 1330 CE, but for his better part of his life he lived in Florence. He was a student of Petrarch. He was a great story writer था। His greatest work in Decameron. It is written in Italian. There were 180 stories in it. Its publication spread his fame far and wide. In these stories, he was described the evil of the feudalism and the moral degradation prevalent in society. He occupied the same position in the field of prose what Dante and Petrarch hold in poetry. Giovanni Pico della Mirandola 1463 to 1494 CE. Giovanni Pico della Mirandola was a great humanist of Florence. He was deeply influenced by the philosophy of Plato. तो प्लेटो की फिलॉसफी से बहुत इम्प्रेस था। In association with Marcello Ficino, he set up a Platonic academy. He renewed scholars and thinkers and invited to take part in the debates. He wrote Orientation of the Dignity of Man in 1486 CE. In his work, he emphasized on man and debates. Niccolo Machiavelli 1469 to 1527 CE. Niccolo Machiavelli was a great writer and a patriot of Italy. इटली का राइटर था. He was born in Florence in 1469 CE. He had depth knowledge of Greek and Latin literature. He bitterly criticized the prevailing corruption in church. तो उसने criticize की corruption. He wanted to put an end of the pitiable political condition of Italy. He wanted to restore to her ancient glory. He wrote The Prince in 1513 CE. It became instantly popular and was translated into many languages of Europe. It gives a detailed amount of the prevalent political condition of the contemporary Italy and also lays down rules for the governance of country. Therefore, this book is also called the Bible of the Kings. It is also a guide for the public rulers. Geoffrey Chaucer 1340 to 1400 CE. Geoffrey Chaucer is one of the greatest English poet. English poet था. The credit ushering in Renaissance in England goes to Geoffrey Chaucer. He wrote Canterbury Tales in 1319 CE. It throws a flood of light in English and Middle Ages. जो मिडल एज के बारे में बताता है उसमें सब कुछ डिटेल में लिखा है. दिस बुक गिव्स ए फेयर एस्टिमेट ऑफ हिज जीनियस. It became very popular in the field. He was being regarded as the father of English poetry according to Dr. F.C. Cole and Dr. H.G. Wells. Thus Chaucer did for English language what Dante and Petrarch did for it. तो इसी के साथ हमारा ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर समाप्त होता है. नमस्कार.